I welcome you all with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmed Sheikh, PhD DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University. Today I will share with you photosynthesis. We all know very well all the greeneries on this planet Earth, since they are brought up on this land for survival, they produce their own food via photosynthesis. It is due to the chlorophyll found in the chloroplast of the greeneries. They take up 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, water, 6 molecules in presence of sunlight, that is chlorophyll found in chloroplast, containing magnesium porphyrin ring, and it produces glucose C6H12O6 and 6 molecule of oxygen. This entire process of photosynthesis is given in nutshell. This entire process of photosynthesis is given in nutshell, chapter number 36, Surah Yasin, verse number 80. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declares in the glorious Quran, Surah Yasin, chapter number 36, verse number 80. الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون. The one who creates for you fire, that is the oxygen from the greeneries with which you kindle. It shows that during photosynthesis process, oxygen is liberated, and we all know oxygen is a combustible gas and nothing burns without oxygen. That's why in this glorious Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling oxygen as a fire. That is a combustible gas because nothing burns without oxygen. In fact, photosynthesis was noticed for the first time in 17th century Belgian physicist Baptista while observing at a willow tree. He noticed that it produces its own food through photosynthesis. In short, in photosynthesis, there are 2 types of reactions. One is called light reaction and another is called dark reaction. The light reaction begins with the chlorophyll, which absorbs the sunlight, gets activated, uses carbon dioxide and water, produces glucose and oxygen. There are 2 types of chlorophylls, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. In light reaction, chlorophyll A pigments and electron acceptors, they align together, they organize together in a system called photosystem. There are 2 types of photosystems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. In photosystem 1, that is light radiation strike with the A chlorophyll, and in photosystem 2, it is noticed that water is splitted into hydrogen ion, electron and oxygen, and they ultimately result in the formation of ATP and NADPH. In the dark reaction, with the help of ATP and NADPH, the carbon dioxide is reduced to organic carbon, that is the sugar. That is nothing but glucose. Now it clearly shows that these 2 processes result in the formation of glucose C6H12O6 and molecular oxygen O2. This oxygen molecule, which is given out, it is also called life gas. Plants In respiration, they take oxygen, and all the living creatures, including from insects to human beings, take up oxygen for respiration. In this regard, plants are little better. They take oxygen in respiration, but they give out lots of oxygen during photosynthesis. So the photosynthetic process in greeneries, in plants, leads to production of their own food, and it liberates oxygen. Some of the plants, like people, neem, as well as tulsi, there are 9 plants. They give out oxygen even in night. In case of people, it gives out oxygen in night through cressulation acid metabolism, CAM metabolism. All the CAM plants in night, they take up carbon dioxide through the stomatas. The carbon dioxide is enriched. This carbon dioxide is converted into malate and oxygen. This is the oxygen which is given out in night. During daytime, this malate decomposes the released carbon dioxide with the help of ATP and NADPH of light reaction. It is converted into organic carbon, that is the sugar. Thus, in the process of this photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water is used up. Result is glucose C6H12O6 and 6 molecules of oxygen. So, question arises, how it happens? What is responsible for this all to happen? It is found that in desert, in hot areas, during the daytime, the stomatas of some of the plants partially closed or fully closed, and they have got special carbon dioxide chemical pumps where the carbon dioxide is pumped in. And in cactus, there is a thorny leaf, not a leaf, but thorns are there. In that case, photosynthesis takes place through the fleshy stem. So in short, the creator of the universe has created everything and has put wisdom in every sort of plants or animals so that they can prosper and live in harmony. This process of photosynthesis, which the botanists are talking today, glorious Quran is talking about this 1400 years before in 7th century. Chapter number 36, Surah Yasin. الذي جعل لكم من الشجر الأخضر نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون. The one who has made for you oxygen, fire from the greeneries with which you kindle. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.